kwa kuwezesha kwamba tulianza interview na tumemaliza successfully.
Yeah, as I said, God says that Mungu ametoa ahadi ya kutushikilia wakati wote. Onyene karoba bisa bakwimoka gutulia bagima. Isa itakwalao ngekwera batebanga. Paka na onyene karoba bisa berwete. Onyetari Yesu ringe nsemo yaitu. Kanangaba bisa batumirire. Turi moyo. And again God says that vengeance is mine. Sago tebanga nero kurusige siumba. Na mutigire. Nyasaye nero kumurusio mwiwe siumba. So I just want to appreciate everyone who have taken part of this interview. I want to appreciate everyone who has taken their time, their sweetest time, to follow this interview since it started till where we have reached. All my fans worldwide, I want to appreciate you. I want to say that I love you, and I want to give you one promise, that keep on trusting in the Lord and keep on trusting in me. I won't let you down at any given point. Ziki, as I've said, I won't let you down. So I don't have time to let anyone down. So may God bless you. Mambingia.
DJ. What's up? Give us the song, man. Mambingia, that was the song. Yes, thank you.
Naigure korwe buku nainde namanyire mechande menge mondo gocha umosalaba ninde no bomenyo ubuya inyetige enseyembe mambingia Nitaro moche wedhabu mambingia Kona mwegene yesoweka Konda koro wancha kwae Inyetige enseyembe mambingia I heard from the preacher, this world is not my home. My home's across the river, and that's where I belong.
Yeah, thank you.
Christ made many mansions where milk and honey flows. I will leave this evil world one of these days. One of these days. One of these days. I will walk in the golden street one of these days. If I trust in Christ alone, if I take care of His word, I will leave this evil world one of these days. Mambingia Nitaro moche wedhabu mambingia Kona mwegene yesoweka Konda koro wancha kwae Inyetige enseyembe mambingia Nitaro moche wedhabu mambingia Kona mwegene yesoweka Kondakoro wanchakwae Nyetige enseyembe Mambingia
Twins.